Good afternoon. We are with Professor Sandeep Krishnamurthy from the University of Washington's Bethel School of Business. He's here at Myra to teach on the concept of digital interactive marketing. Welcome, Professor.
Thank you. My pleasure.
So, firstly, we would like to ask you, what is your experience at Myra been so far?
I'm glad you asked me that question. I visited Myra about 6 months ago, and this was at a time when I was visiting several business schools in India. And there was something about this school that really captured my attention and captured my heart. There is an intangible here in terms of the engagement and earnestness of the students that is really unique. What I found is that I was developing personal relationships with a very diverse class of students, people from all parts of India, people who spoke different languages, people who had very different styles of thinking in different capacities. And the class was very interactive, and in a very short period of time, I felt that the students actually learned a lot and made progress on a fairly challenging assignment. So I felt exhilarated, a little exhausted by the pace of the learning here, but overall a great experience.
You've been educated at some of the most premier institutions in the world, and you had the privilege of teaching there as well. So institutions such as IIT Bombay, XLRI Jamshedpur, and University of Washington. So how do you rate the students there to the students at Myra?
Yeah, what I'm seeing here is a student that has a well-rounded overall personality that's able to focus not just on the analysis of something but on actually doing stuff. So what I see in the top institutions, when I went to IIT Bombay, is you have people who are very good analysts, but managers are not the same as analysts. And what I see here is a lot of managerial talent. There are people with very interesting backgrounds, and I have no doubt that some of them are going to be running some of the largest corporations in the future. And that is because they are focused on doing and translating the knowledge that they get into action.
On a final note, what advice would you like to give to our students here at Myra?
First of all, believe in yourself. A lot of times, people pay attention to things that other people tell them, their parents, their friends, social media, etc., etc. So just because somebody thinks a school is great doesn't make that school great. It's the people that make the difference. So you are part of a great community. You are learning at a very good pace. You are learning from very good faculty. Believe in yourself. Believe in the education that you're getting. And remember that if you don't believe in yourself, nobody else is going to believe in you. So everything starts there. And keep it up.
Thank you very much, Professor. It was a great pleasure having you here in Myra. We hope to see you again very soon in full capacity. Thank you.
Thank you. Take care.